Okay, now moving on to an 8,000 grit. This 8,000 grit whetstone has been soaking in water. I don't want to scratch up this brand new knife, so I'm going to get out these edge guards. You can use the large one or the small one. I prefer the large one. It's just personal preference. These give you approximately the right angle, around a 15-degree angle, but the most important thing is that it's repeated every time and you're not going to scratch up the knife. So here we go. Just a quick heel to tip. And repeat the other side. Okay, this knife is not only sharper, but it has not been scratched. It's basically still brand new along the edge here. We're going to give it just a wipe with the towel, and the last thing we're going to do to this knife is we're going to polish it on a leather strop. All you do is a reverse pattern like this, and we're going to check it on a small piece of, I'll give you some cardboard to show you just how sharp this knife is. Okay, and to finish this Wusthof knife, I'm going to put the clip on. I'm going to start from the heel to the tip and hold the same angle and repeat the other side. Okay, this is a two-layer piece of a folder. It's very, very thick. This knife now will easily cut S's or slivers in this piece of very thick, heavy-duty folder paper. So anyway, that's all you need right there is the clips, the whetstones, and you can make your knives really, really sharp. By the way, this is much, much sharper than out of the box. So check it out. Visit the site. All your supplies are there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.